I'm in the middle of a very long road trip going through eastern Nevada, middle of nowhere for the most part. I have the Ruby Mountains here in front of me, and I need a coffee break to make it through the rest of this drive. No decent coffee, so I'm making my own. Here's where we are. Quick potty break. Hey everyone, this is the dipshit who forgot to push the record button and missed all my wonderful award-winning dialogue explaining the stuff you need to actually make this iced coffee on the road. So you need coffee here to put the coffee in. Just fill this with ice either from the hotel or from a convenience store on the trip. It'll stay cold for hours. Next, you need a way to heat the water to boil it. This is a jet boil, camp stove, and fuel. Can't leave home without it. This thing is awesome. This is what you actually make the coffee in, and this is an AeroPress Go. It's their travel model. This thing is awesome. You need a little thing to keep your filters in. Comes apart. Get your spoon, your stir. It works just like a regular AeroPress, except in this video I do not use this. I brew directly over the ice, which is what you need to do. So, hope that helps clarify some stuff. That's what you need to get going, man. All right, we got about 3 minutes and we got some rapidly boiling water. Turn that off. All right, just gonna pour from there. Just enough to get it wet. So at this point, what we want is the coffee to get all wet. Give that a good stir for 10 seconds. This is the bloom. So I probably put a little too much water in there, but hey, we'll live. And we'll let that set for a bit. Okay, we're good to go. Pour in the rest of the water. All the way up to the top. Put our filter basket on. Close that. Take that, goes over the ice. Yeti is like almost designed perfect for this. Got to get the branding in there. There's the logo. And we just press. Slowly, easily, gradually. Now this coffee I may have ground a little too coarse. It's going a little too easy. But hey, around the road, there's coffee for nowhere for miles, or any decent coffee. So we get what we get. It's still infinitely better. And you can't hear it, but there's that nice sound. And we have iced coffee. Now, let's test it. The nice thing, pretty darn good. Now, because I am on a long ride, and I'm gonna sugar the shit out of this, I'm gonna add some chocolate milk and make kind of a shaken iced coffee. How much? As much as I want. Grandma style. We're just eyeballing it. There we go. Seal that up. Hopefully it's gonna all stay together. Mostly. Get a little bit of splatter. And we have a nice shaken iced coffee. Enjoy, everybody. Oop, hang on, logo. There we go. Enjoy, everybody. Take care. That hits the spot. That'll get me going another 3 or 4 hours easy.